So there are two questions here. First, how did you prepare for the interview? What are the sources that you followed? What sources should be followed? What areas one should cover before going to the interview? And of course, how was the actual interview experience?
Sir, first thing is how did I prepare? So I discussed with you also. I got my ICAR letter, joining letter, on I think 19th of November. I had my interview on the second day itself, 3rd of December. So I had around 15 days of buffer. In that also I had to do lot of work like certificates had to be sent, and then we had to go for medical. Then I think it took around 25th, 26th of November. So I was left with 5 odd days, 5 to 6 odd days for preparation. So if you see the biodata form, there are few major like classifications. One is the educational background, one is the employment background, one is the hobbies and interest, and the other is the achievement part. Those are the four broad classifications. So I, by seeing the biodata, and as people say in many of the videos, as teachers also say, that you should prepare each and every word of your DAF, वो biodata form. बट आई न्यू कि 5 दिन में तो होने से रहा, क्लासिफिकेशन ही 5 है, तो हो नहीं पाएगा वो, दैट्स प्रैक्टिकल, एंड देर इज नो पॉइंट आधा आधा करके जाने का. सो वॉट आई थॉट कि दे आर नॉट आस्किंग निटिग्रिटीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ दे आर आस्किंग मी अबाउट माई कॉलेज सब्जेक्ट, किसमें मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की है, दे विल नॉट आस्क मी निटिग्रिटीज ऑफ दैट कि कितना वैल्यू होता है इस पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज का. They will ask me broad idea whether I have learned something there or not. So I tried to take a broad view of that. For example, my optional was sociology, so I read something about it. I had electronics background, electronics engineering, so I read something about it. I had my research paper in machine learning, so I read about it. I worked upon my hobbies, थोड़ा पढ़ लिया उसके बारे में. I read about the achievement that I had. वो मैंने कर लिया broad. That was the broad thing I did. Then when it comes to real time interview, I think that was one of the most amazing experience I have had till now. Like, the board was very cordial, very helpful. They know that you're nervous. They try to give you ample time to comfort yourself. And I think it was the best experience. Like when I went inside, the first question sir asked me that you were preparing for UPSC. I said yes, sir. What was your optional? I said sociology.